Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox crashing without error message. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. There are different methods to solve this issue. First one is to click on Windows Start button and restart your PC. It refreshes the system settings and clears temporary data, which can resolve temporary issues with the application. Second method is to increase compatibility of the Roblox. For that, right-click on the Roblox application. Its context menu will appear. Click on the Properties option from the menu. In the Properties window, click on the Compatibility option from the top right. Then click on the checkbox option labeled as To run the program in compatibility mode. Select Windows 8, click on Apply, and then click on OK. Now we have adjusted the compatibility settings that will help the Roblox application to run smoothly on PC. If your problem is still not solved, then go to the Windows Start button and open the settings of your PC. Click on the Apps option. All the apps of your PC are shown here. Scroll down and find the Roblox. Click on it, then click on Uninstall. After that, again click on this uninstall option. The Roblox will be deleted from your PC. Now you can install it again from the Microsoft Store or any browser. Open the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type Roblox download. Click on install on Windows and the latest version of the game will be installed on your PC. And this is how you can fix Roblox crashing on PC.